Every civilization leaves behind a question. What did it choose to build for the generations yet to come? Param Foundation was born from a bold idea to build a living ecosystem where science, technology, history, culture, and human curiosity come together as one experience. A place where children do not merely learn but discover, where innovation is not confined to laboratories but become part of society, where culture is not preserved as memory alone but reimagined for the future. Across Bengaluru, the journey has already begun. Through immersive science experiences, transformative workshops, groundbreaking collaborations, and conversations that bring together educators, technologists, artists, scientists, and visionaries. Param is steadily evolving into a platform of global relevance. And this is only the beginning. At Channenahalli, a new kind of destination is taking shape. A space where imagination, science, culture, and civilization converge. Apart from its dynamic visitor experiences, the Param Center also hosts a wide range of facilities: a convention center, food courts, amphitheater, innovation center, exhibition halls, and a world-class hospitality experience by the Taj Gateway. Designed not merely as a center, but as an institution for generations. Ano Bhadra Kritavo Yantu Vishwataha. Let noble thoughts come to us from every side. The future will not be built by technology alone. It will be built by imagination, by courage, by culture, by people willing to dream beyond themselves. Param, infinity experienced.